Hi, this is Soul Sync Living. Have you ever felt completely drained, like your battery is always at 1%, no matter how much you rest? You're not just tired. You might be dealing with what we call low energy on a much deeper level. Today, we're going to explore what's really happening inside your body when you feel this way, and how you can reclaim your vitality. This isn't about another cup of coffee or a quick fix. It's about understanding the root causes and learning how to truly recharge from within. So, if you're ready to stop feeling perpetually exhausted and start living with more vibrancy, stick around. We're diving deep into the science and soul of your energy. So what does low energy truly mean? It's more than just feeling sleepy. Think of your body as a complex electrical system. Your nervous system is the wiring, and your cells are tiny power plants. When we say we have low energy, it often means this entire system is dysregulated. On a cellular level, your mitochondria, the powerhouses of your cells, might not be producing enough ATP, which is the body's main energy currency, but it goes deeper. Your autonomic nervous system, which controls all your involuntary functions like heartbeat and digestion, has two main branches: the sympathetic, our fight or flight mode, and the parasympathetic, our rest and digest mode. When you feel constantly drained, it's often a sign that your nervous system is stuck in a state of high alert. The sympathetic mode, even when there's no immediate danger. This constant on switch burns through your energy reserves at an alarming rate, leaving you feeling depleted, foggy, and unable to function at your best. It's a physiological state, not just a feeling. This leads us directly to the biggest energy thief of modern life: chronic stress. Our bodies are brilliantly designed to handle short-term stress. When you face a real threat, your brain's amygdala sends a distress signal. Your adrenal glands then pump out hormones like adrenaline and cortisol. Your heart pounds, your muscles tense up, and your senses sharpen. This is your survival mode, and it's incredibly effective for escaping danger. The problem is, our bodies can't tell the difference between a real physical threat and the chronic psychological stress from work deadlines, financial worries, or relationship issues. When you're constantly in this survival mode, your body is always primed for a fight that never comes. This state of hypervigilance is incredibly demanding. Your body prioritizes immediate survival, so it diverts energy away from crucial long-term functions like digestion, immune response, and cellular repair. Imagine leaving your car engine running at full throttle, 24/7. Eventually, it's going to run out of fuel and start to break down. That's exactly what chronic stress does to your energy reserves. It creates a massive, continuous drain on your vitality, leaving you in a state of perpetual exhaustion. Now let's talk about another hidden energy drain: emotional suppression. From a young age, many of us are taught to push down or ignore our feelings. We're told to be strong, don't cry, or get over it. But emotions are pure energy in motion. They are meant to be felt and processed, not bottled up. When you suppress an emotion, whether it's anger, sadness, or fear, you aren't making it disappear. You're just trapping that energy inside your body. Think of a river. When it flows freely, it's powerful and life-giving. But if you build a dam, the water gets stuck. It becomes stagnant, and the pressure builds up. This is what happens in your body. Suppressing emotions requires a tremendous amount of subconscious effort and physical tension. Your muscles might clench, your breathing might become shallow, and you create energetic blockages. This internal battle to keep feelings contained is exhausting. It's like trying to hold a beach ball underwater. It takes constant effort and drains your resources, preventing your life force energy from flowing freely and nourishing your system. This emotional constipation is a major, often overlooked, reason for feeling chronically tired. So, how do we get our energy flowing freely again? This is where holistic therapies can be incredibly powerful. These practices aren't just about relaxation. They work directly with your body's energy systems to release blockages and restore balance. Take acupuncture, for example. In traditional Chinese medicine, energy, or qi, flows through pathways called meridians. When this flow is blocked, it can cause fatigue and illness. Acupuncture uses tiny needles to stimulate specific points along these meridians, helping to clear obstructions and get the qi moving smoothly again. Then there's yoga. Yoga is so much more than just stretching. The combination of physical postures, or asanas, deep breathing exercises, or pranayama, and meditation works to release physical and energetic tension stored in the body. It gently shifts your nervous system from the stressed sympathetic state to the calm parasympathetic state. Meditation and mindfulness practices do something similar by training your brain to stay in the present moment, which breaks the cycle of chronic stress and worry that drains your battery. These therapies support your body's innate ability to heal and help you reconnect with your natural, vibrant energy flow. Ultimately, rebuilding your energy is about restoring a deep sense of safety and balance within your nervous system. You have to convince your body that it's safe to power down from survival mode. This isn't a one-time fix. It's a practice of creating a lifestyle that nourishes your entire being. It means actively seeking out moments of calm and quiet. Spend time in nature. The simple act of walking in a forest or sitting by the ocean has a profound grounding effect on our nervous system. It's about nourishing your body with whole, unprocessed foods that give you sustained energy, not a quick spike and crash. It's about prioritizing high-quality sleep, which is when your body does most of its repair and recharging. It's about setting boundaries to protect your energy from draining situations or people. And most importantly, it's about learning to listen to your body's signals instead of pushing through the exhaustion. When you consistently show your body that it is safe, supported, and cared for, it can finally switch off the alarm bells, move into that rest and digest state, and begin the deep work of healing and rebuilding your precious energy stores. This is the path back to true vitality. Thank you so much for joining me today at Soul Sync Living. I hope this gives you a new perspective on your energy and empowers you to start your journey back to vitality. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need to hear it. See you next time.